Welcome to Digital Learners channel. This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very cheap rate. In this video, let us see how to humanize AI content by bypassing AI detectors. I go to chatgpt.com and here I type I need a blog in 300 words about top 10 tips for SEO. I click on search. Now you get the blog post that is created by AI. I select the whole blog post, right mouse click, copy, and I go to 0gpt.com and paste the text here. Now I click on detect text. Now you can see our content is 55.32% created by AI. Again I go to originality.ai.com and paste the same content here and click for scan now. You can see on the right hand side our content is 100% created by AI. I delete both the contents from here and in 0gpt, and now I go to google.com and type aihumanize.com. I click on the first link. Here I paste the content and click on Humanize. I log in using my Gmail account. I choose my account. Continue. And again paste the same content and click on Humanize. Now you can see on the below our content is totally humanized by this aihumanize.com. I copy the content and go to 0gpt and paste here and click on detect text. Now you can see our content is human written, and go to originality and paste the here content here and click on scan now. Now you can see our content is 100% unique and original. So in this way you can change any content that is created using ChatGPT to human written content. Thank you.